Heavy on the SS social, man. Loyalty over royalty, y'all niggas know the vibes.
Fuck your kill this beat, bitch.
Whooped it, bitch, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. Bitch, I'm by my chicken like it's a two-piece. You can have your bitch back, she a groupie. She just swallow all my kids in a two-seat. Swagged out, familiar, we bringing them gas out. I still got some racks stuffed in the trap house. Off the 42, I'm blowing her back out. I'm back on my bullshit, spin back with a full clip. They say I'm moving ruthless, and my shooters they shooting. I won't take her, they roof Chris. I get the breeze, then it's adios. If I'm with your trees, then she give it though. When I see police, then we gang low. That's another piece, that's another zone. Ice in the VVs, now she down to get treachy. I got all this water on me like Fiji. Bitch, I'm posted up with hats and the sleazies. Smoking the Zaza, they go straight to the mouth.
Allow me, make I enjoy life. Cause problem not the finish, oh eh. Every day different wahala. Problem not the finish, oh eh. Skibidi that day. I just wanna party every day. Skibidi that day. I just wanna party every day. So pass me the dachi. Pretty girl, come wine pon the cocky. 10 toes, one girl, make it touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it. Pass me the dachi. Pretty girl, come wine pon the cocky. 10 toes, one girl, make it touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it. Shut up and bend over. Aye. Let your back do the talking over. So back up and bend over. Let your back do the talking over. Say, I want to chop.
هقول لك كلمة واحدة أو اتنين كلام كتير ما بعرفش أقول رومانسي لكن عارف يبقى غير مش بثبت لك إني جامد ولا عايز أبقى تقيل أنا بلديكي يا حبيبي بلديكي يا عليلي بلديكي أنا هنا بلديكي يا عليلي بلديكي يا حبيبي بلديكي أنا هنا بلديكي يا حبيبي بلديكي يا حبيبي tu es tombé comme la pluie. T'as découlé dans ma petite vie, dans ma vie comme un ovni. Tu t'es parti comme le jour qui laisse place à la nuit. Et quand t'es parti comme un sans ça laisser place à l'ennui.
قالها خليها حالها مش هضر شكلها ما انا عارف انها ونرجع تاني بمزاجها حبيبي يا حبيبي يا حبيبي يا حبيبي حبيبي يا حبيبي يا حبيبي يا حبيبي
Je suis pour Félina, qui me passe sous le corps, qui fait couler mes larmes. Je suis pour Félina, qui sont celles qui du mal, les yeux recouverts de voile. Et je suis pas pour ton âme, j'y ai vu de nombreuses vagues et des plantes qui se fanent. Donc j'ai une prise de base, qui complète ton esprit. Ya Habibi, tu es tombé comme la pluie. T'as découlé dans ma petite vie, dans ma vie comme un ovni. Tu t'es parti comme le jour qui laisse place à
लेके फिर घूट ले सांसों से चढ़ेगी तेरी कश को लगा ले यारी दम बोले दम का हम मजा लूट ले चंदन ये बदन मत कर तू जतन हम दम मेरे संग टूरी में तू पतंग दम दम बम बम खींच मेरे हम दम दम का बम खींचेगी तू भूलेगी तू सारे दम 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 बम बम खींच मेरे हम दम दम का बम खींचेगी तू भूलेगी तू सारे दम 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 बम बम खींच मेरे हम दम
Good morning. Now you are watching Star India Radio, and my name is Prem Prakash Pandey, your host and lovely dost. Today we came here, Valala, Indirapuram, Ghaziabad, and we have the general manager of this Noon Mirch and Valala, Mr. Shailesh Deshwal. So we'll talk about that, and the foremost I would like to tell you that today we are on party mode. So just enjoy this moment and let's talk about this this atmosphere and about what the people they are doing here and how the whole organization is going on. So let's talk about this, and sir, most welcome to our channel named Star India Radio.
Thank you so much.
Okay. We just like to know that what is the Noon Mirch is all about, first of all, and Valala is the one of the part of Noon Mirch, I think. And what do you want to say about this? Please tell us.
Noon Mirch is the modern Indian fine dining cuisine. Actually, the idea behind this, the name itself defines the noon and mirch. The noon is written in Hindi and the mirch is in English. Like, it's an Indian food which is prepared and presented in a continental way. So we want to redefine food. You know, it's now a long time when everybody is just like orders dal makhni and roti. So we just want to redefine things. You know, when people want to sit, there is the concept behind this restaurant is like pre-plated food.
Yes,
you know, the art of the chef which is created and it is shown in the plate. So people just take the picture of the ambience and then they take the picture of the plate, and after that they take the picture of themselves.
Absolutely correct.
So this is our idea behind this restaurant, and we really want to be a Michelin star. So that's what we are targeting. Every 15 days we change our menu. So we are just working on this.
When our team saw this event, then we are very excited that it is something, really funny. It's like we want from our heart that yes, we want to attend this event, what is all about going on. So we met you and you are a very amazing person, I must say. And just tell me about this, how the idea came up in your mind to open this kind of restaurant, because in India there is nothing like so spacious, first of all, and second, your behavior is so cool, I must say. So please tell me about this, sir.
Thank you so much for your kind words, first of all. And the idea behind this is to just, to make people feel that, it's a very tough days right now. Everybody's working so hard and they don't have time for their family members and personal times. So the concept, वो वाला buffet वाला system,
yes,
मतलब वो जाओ plate लेके जाओ वहाँ से buffet में डालो, that's like old fashioned and old dated.
Yes,
so now the concept is, you need to spend time with your partner. You need to spend, a quality time and love and affections, which if you are getting up and going here and there, so it breaks. So
Absolutely
when you are
right.
sitting, we have a course menu which is called as a journey menu, which is the speciality of the restaurant. This is one of the finest thing what we have right here right now, and we have different courses with different plans. You just come, sit here, leave it on us, and you will be served the amazing food and the drinks.
One more thing, sir. I have seen so many crowd out there, all right? And there are so many pubs and bars around this area, in this area only. So I am very amazed that how much crowd you are carrying and how you tackle all the things. So I was watching, 3 to 4 hours here, and I was very surprised. I was very, amazed by this. So how do you feel that everybody is complimenting you that yes, you are a very good, owner of this restaurant, whatever they want to say about you. Although you are general manager of this, Noon Mirch, but everybody is saying that you are the owner of this. Okay, so how do you feel about that?
No, it's great. It's great when you come across with the clients and you you face each and everything, you deal with them, ups and downs and everything. And when the guest is happy, that gives the most affection thing to us. That's why we are working really hard. So at the time when it's a happiness time for the guest, so at that point of time, we make them happy. And that is the most best part what we can do. And especially when I'm talking about the nightclub. I think 3 months back before this lockdown, we were ranked as the 5th best modern Indian fine dine restaurant in Delhi NCR. Nice. And that's give us, a very great heart and a pleasure. And thanks to the chefs which are creating so good dishes with a good plating. And and Valhalla is especially a new place. We have the 3 different concepts here. So one is the Noon Mirch, which is modern Indian fine dine cuisine, and another one is Valhalla, which is a nightclub. And it's basically, you have seen how the parties go on here. So I don't think so there is anything here in Delhi NCR like this. And upstairs we are having, on the 4th floor, we are having Brewfest, which is like a German brewery, how the Germans, started brewing, and Oktoberfest. So that's how we got the name of Brewfest.
Brewfest. All right. One thing I want to say that we could not capture the crowd here because you were so busy at that time that I could not capture the crowd. If I would be at that time, this interview would be happened, then it would be very nice. But it's okay, no problem. It's now 1 o'clock in the morning, I can say, the next day. Today is Sunday. Okay, so we are very happy to have you as a owner of this company. I know that. Okay, so first thing or second thing, what are your future plans? We want to come here every month. Actually, we love this place. So what are your future plans so that I can collaborate with you, our channel can collaborate with you always? Please tell me about that.
Every weekend we are particularly according to the guest requirements, we ask guests, what do you want, how can we help you, because COVID time was such a bad time, and second time, first time was little bit okay, but second time was really very bad because nobody, after staying at home, you need to get out, you need to have your own space and freedom, so you need to party. So we have 3 different places with 3 different menus, and hope soon we will be in Aerocity as well.
Sure. I would like to say, Mr. Akash, please show this picture, so that everybody can know. And one more thing, just last question, sir. One more thing I would like to ask to you, that among all the restaurants, what are the speciality over here? What are the speciality the people would like to attract it to you, and people will love to do that? So what are the specialities? I just wanted to know that.
The speciality of the place itself is the modern Indian fine dine. Whatever comes in the plate, it's like amazing. It's totally
Ambience
beautiful.
Is good.
Ambience is good. Food is good, and people
spacious.
And every 15 days we change our menu.
Okay.
Every 15 days we change our menu. So we keep on innovating things, and that goes really, really good.
Thank you for your future endeavors, and thank you so much with talking to Star India Radio. Thank you so much. Dil se dil tak.
Thank you so much. Thank you.